Today, we're going to be learning about the chamomile plant. Hello again, or if you're new here, hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Amanda Pitkoskete, and I'm a student at the University of South Florida interning here. And this is building my veggie garden. Before you say anything, I know you've seen chamomile tea in the grocery store before, but there's a lot more that you can do with this plant, and I'm going to tell you about it.
Chamomile has been known to mankind for millennia. Traditionally, it is consumed as a tea in the same way we commonly use it today. This plant was used a lot by the Romans and other ancient civilizations throughout Eurasia. It is still used in traditional medicine as well, and even used sometimes in allopathic medicine or conventional medicine too. Lots of skin creams will use it for its soothing effect, and it can even be added to baths as well for relaxation. As we all know, the tea has a lot of health benefits. You probably had it during a nasty cold or during a frigid winter's night. This is because the plant really does help. It helps with inflammation when made in a tea, which is great for sore throats and for those nights where you can't get a good night's sleep. Chamomile also contains compounds called flavonoids, which make the plant have its own known calming and sedative effects. Chamomile is not just a tea, however. It is used in a variety of foods as well, such as baked goods, jams, salads, and even ice cream.
So, despite all of this, why should you grow it in your garden?
After all, chamomile is a weed, so why would you want a plant like that next to your more exotic and time-consuming plants? There are a lot of health benefits to this weed. A good smell, easy to grow, and it works well in tea. The plant does have some drawbacks, after all. While it is great and beneficial for humans, it's rather toxic for pets. If you have a dog or cat that likes to eat plants, it may not be the best thing to keep around as they can get poisoned if they chew on it. It's not as hardy as some other plants either. While it grows easily, it is not too companionable with other garden plants. Mint can choke it out, and it suffers from the same bugs that potatoes do. It can, however, be grown right by broccoli, cucumbers, and tomatoes. By these plants, chamomile can actually work as a pest repellent and can help promote other plants' growth. What's great about chamomile is because it's a weed, it makes growing them relatively easy. They don't need to be germinated indoors and then brought outside. All you need to do is simply scatter the seeds where you want them to grow and pop. They will come out to greet you. They are part of the daisy family after all, so nothing will stop them when they're so determined to grow.
What matters is the kind of chamomile that you grow. There are two types, Roman chamomile and German chamomile.
Roman chamomile is a perennial, which means that it will come back every year, which is less stress on your back. German chamomile, however, is an annual. It will die each winter. However, if you may try to come back in the spring, you'll have to decide if you wish to keep it contained in a pot or in one section of your garden. If you live in Florida, like I do, then it's not one of those plants you can grow all year round, unfortunately. Chamomile is from a colder climate, so if it's grown outside, then it needs to be during the colder season. Of course, if you live somewhere up north, you would have to wait for the spring.
Given that it's a weed, it's not necessarily that needy to grow. It likes a well-drained soil and half sun. But if you're growing it in the right climate, it's even easier.
Given both the historical and medicinal importance of this plant, it's easy to see why you can see it in every grocery store. Having it homegrown and organic, however, is best, as you can make it into so much more than just tea. In fact, if you have it in your garden, you could use it as a homegrown beauty product.
As you can see, chamomile has a lot of health benefits. And while it seems so common, you might be wondering, why should I grow it in my garden? There are actually a lot of reasons to. As always, thank you for coming back for today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on building my veggie garden. Bye-bye!